So you decided you're ready to buy a home. Congratulations. Now, what's the first step you should do? Is have a buyer's consultation. In this video, I'm going to go over what you can expect from a buyer's consultation from a realtor, and we're getting started right now. Hello, my name is Angela Olmos. I'm a full-time real estate agent in the Northeast Florida area. And one of the things that I see very often, especially with first-time home buyers, is that they want to go ahead and go look at homes immediately once they decide that they want to buy a home. And one of the things that you want to definitely consider is meeting with a realtor before you go out to see homes. And the reason for that is you have an opportunity to kind of sit down and have a consultation, which is basically the way I do my consultations. It's kind of like a strategy session. I get to know exactly what are your goals for the transaction, besides the obvious, which is buying a home, but really what else is important to you? That this home has to be located near your work, near your school, near your kids' school, near your parents' house. I don't know. That's one of the things that we get to find out during the buyer's consultation. I try to start from the very beginning, basically where you're at now. Try to find out what it is about your current living situation that you're looking to change. And then from there, develop a roadmap, a strategy to help you get there. But if we go in and take a look at the homes immediately, it's not really giving you the best opportunity for success, because without a plan, you're just kind of like, shooting in the dark. You want to make sure that you have clarity, you know exactly what you're looking for, and give the realtor all that information so that we can help you find it. So definitely have a buyer's consultation. What do I go over during the buyer's consultation? What you can expect is basically an overview of what the process looks like. And I love having this opportunity because you're never left wondering what will happen next. What step of the process am I in now? What comes next? Where if we have a buyer's consultation, then you have an opportunity to see exactly on a linear timetable where you're at the very beginning, what the next logical step should be, what the third logical step should be, and therefore. So definitely connect with me. I'd love to give you an opportunity to have a free buyer's consultation. This could easily be arranged over Zoom or on Skype or over the phone or, wherever it's convenient. But it's an opportunity for you to get familiar with the process and, most importantly, develop a strategy session to help you get there. You could expect to walk away with a whole lot of resources, such as maybe you have not yet gotten pre-approved for your lender. Then you would definitely need some points of contact to get with the proper lenders to help you find the loan that you need to purchase that home. That might be one of those things. Then the other thing that you might come out with is a whole lot of information to know exactly what's in your price range, what is available in the type of or the part of town that you're looking for, or the type of home that you're looking for. But definitely take a minute to strategize to see what the whole process looks like. And I think that you will find that doing that, just taking a little bit more time at the very beginning, is going to help you save a ton of time during the process and help you attain your goals faster. So if I could be of any service to you guys, don't hesitate to reach out. I am here to help. And until next time, remember to watch my videos. Remember to subscribe to my channel and connect with me if I can answer any questions. Talk to you guys very soon.